From the icy poles to the sun-drenched tropics, our planet is in a constant state of flux. But today, that change is accelerating, driven by the impacts of a warming climate. Yet, even in the face of these challenges, life finds a way. Across the globe, species are demonstrating remarkable resilience, adapting to survive in a world that's rapidly transforming. Here, on the Great Barrier Reef, a kaleidoscope of life unfolds beneath the waves. This underwater paradise is home to an astonishing array of marine species, each playing a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem. From the smallest plankton to the largest predators, every creature contributes to the vibrant tapestry of life that thrives here. But this vibrant ecosystem faces an uncertain future as ocean temperatures rise. The warming waters are causing widespread coral bleaching, a phenomenon where corals lose their vibrant colors and turn ghostly white. This not only affects the corals themselves, but also the myriad of species that depend on them for shelter and food. The once thriving reefs are now struggling to survive, and the future of these underwater cities hangs in the balance. Yet, amidst these warming waters, hope emerges. Scientists and conservationists are working tirelessly to protect and restore these vital ecosystems. Innovative techniques such as coral gardening and assisted evolution are being employed to help corals adapt to the changing conditions. These efforts are showing promising results, with some reefs beginning to recover and thrive once more. Sea turtles, ancient mariners who have navigated the oceans for millennia, are adapting to the changing conditions. These remarkable creatures have witnessed countless changes in the Earth's oceans over the ages, and their resilience is a testament to their ability to survive and thrive in the face of adversity. Some species, like the green sea turtle, are shifting their nesting grounds, seeking out cooler beaches to lay their eggs. This behavior is crucial for the survival of their offspring, as the temperature of the sand where the eggs are laid determines the sex of the hatchlings. By choosing cooler beaches, these turtles are ensuring a balanced ratio of male and female hatchlings, which is essential for the continuation of their species. Others are altering their nesting seasons, laying their eggs earlier to coincide with more favorable temperatures. This shift in timing helps to ensure that the hatchlings emerge during optimal conditions, increasing their chances of survival. These adaptive strategies are a remarkable example of how wildlife can respond to environmental changes. These subtle shifts in behavior, passed down through generations, are a testament to the power of adaptation, ensuring the survival of these magnificent creatures. As the baby turtles make their perilous journey from the nest to the ocean, they carry with them the hopes of their species. Each successful hatchling represents a small victory in the ongoing battle for survival in a changing world. The resilience of these reef dwellers offers a glimmer of hope for the future of our oceans. Moving inland to the heart of North America, we encounter a creature remarkably adept at thriving in a changing world, the American bullfrog. Known for its adaptability, this amphibian is expanding its range northward as temperatures rise. Its ability to tolerate a wide range of conditions and its voracious appetite, consuming anything from insects to small mammals, make it a true generalist, able to capitalize on new opportunities presented by a changing climate. While its spread may pose challenges for some native species, the bullfrog's success underscores the resilience of certain species in the face of environmental change. In the meadows and grasslands, a delicate dance unfolds as butterflies take flight. The common blue butterfly, once confined to warmer regions, is now expanding its range northward as temperatures climb. This tiny creature is a testament to the interconnectedness of life, its fate intertwined with the blooming cycles of wildflowers. As spring arrives earlier in some regions, the common blue butterfly is adapting, emerging earlier to coincide with the blooming of its nectar sources. This delicate balance, finely tuned over millennia, is now shifting in response to a changing climate. Chapter 4: The Unintended Beneficiary. While climate change poses challenges for many species, it can also create opportunities for others, particularly those able to adapt quickly to new environments. The European green crab, an invasive species with a notorious reputation, is one such example. Its ability to tolerate a wide range of salinities and temperatures has allowed it to spread rapidly along coastlines worldwide. As ocean temperatures rise, this adaptable crustacean is poised to expand its range even further, posing a threat to native ecosystems but also highlighting the capacity for certain species to thrive in a changing world. Chapter 5. A Seabird's Struggle. High above the crashing waves, seabirds soar, their lives inextricably linked to the ocean's bounty. But as climate change disrupts marine ecosystems, these birds face an uncertain future. The black-legged kittiwake, a small gull that nests on cliffs and rocky shores, is one such species grappling with the impacts of warming waters. As fish populations shift in response to changing ocean currents and temperatures, kittiwakes are adapting their foraging behaviors, venturing further from their nests in search of food. Some are even nesting earlier in the season, attempting to synchronize their breeding cycles with the availability of prey. Chapter 6. Coral's Enduring Legacy. Beneath the surface of our warming seas, coral reefs, the bustling metropolises of the ocean, face an existential threat. These vibrant underwater cities are home to an astonishing array of marine life, providing shelter, food, and breeding grounds for countless species. However, the very existence of these crucial ecosystems is now hanging in the balance. Ocean acidification and rising temperatures have led to widespread coral bleaching, leaving behind ghostly white skeletons. This phenomenon occurs when corals, stressed by changes in their environment, expel the symbiotic algae living in their tissues, causing them to turn white and, if the stress continues, eventually die. The loss of these algae not only robs corals of their vibrant colors, but also their primary source of energy. Yet, even amidst this devastation, there are glimmers of hope. In some areas, we are witnessing the early stages of coral recovery. New coral growth can be seen sprouting amidst the bleached remnants, a testament to the resilience and tenacity of these remarkable organisms. Scientists and conservationists are working tirelessly to understand and support these natural recovery processes. Some coral species, like those found in the Great Barrier Reef, are exhibiting remarkable resilience, tolerating warmer waters and forming symbiotic relationships with heat-tolerant algae. These resilient corals are adapting to the changing conditions, offering a glimmer of hope for the future. The Great Barrier Reef, one of the most iconic and extensive coral systems in the world, serves as a living laboratory for studying these adaptive processes. These resilient corals offer a beacon of hope, suggesting that with careful management and a reduction in greenhouse gas emissions, these vital ecosystems may yet have a fighting chance. Restoration efforts, such as coral gardening and the development of heat-resistant coral strains, are being implemented to support these natural processes. By protecting and nurturing these resilient corals, we can help ensure that future generations will continue to marvel at the beauty and diversity of coral reefs. The enduring legacy of corals is not just a story of decline, but also one of hope, resilience, and the potential for recovery. Chapter 7. The Arctic's Adaptable Hunter. In the vast expanse of the Arctic, where ice and snow dominate the landscape, the Arctic fox reigns as a master of survival. This small yet resilient creature has evolved to thrive in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. With its thick fur and compact body, the Arctic fox is perfectly adapted to withstand the freezing temperatures and harsh winds that sweep across the tundra. But as the Arctic warms at an alarming rate, this iconic creature faces unprecedented challenges. Climate change is rapidly transforming the Arctic landscape, melting the ice that the foxes depend on for hunting and shelter. The rising temperatures are not only affecting the physical environment, but also the delicate balance of the ecosystem. The loss of sea ice, crucial for hunting seals, is forcing Arctic foxes to adapt their strategies. Traditionally, these foxes would follow polar bears onto the ice, scavenging the remains of seal kills. However, with the ice retreating further each year, this reliable food source is becoming increasingly scarce. Some are venturing further inland, relying more on terrestrial prey like lemmings and voles. These small rodents become a vital part of the Arctic fox's diet, especially during the summer months when they are more abundant. The fox's keen sense of hearing allows them to detect the slightest movements of their prey beneath the snow. Others are scavenging from polar bear kills, capitalizing on the leftovers of these apex predators. This opportunistic behavior showcases the Arctic fox's incredible adaptability. By following polar bears, they can access food sources that would otherwise be out of reach, ensuring their survival in a rapidly changing environment. This adaptability, honed over millennia of surviving in one of the harshest environments on Earth, offers a glimmer of hope for the Arctic fox's continued existence. Despite the challenges posed by climate change, the Arctic fox's ability to adjust its behavior and diet demonstrates its resilience. As long as there are opportunities to find food and shelter, this remarkable hunter will continue to roam the icy wilderness of the Arctic, a testament to the power of adaptation in the face of adversity. Outro Nature's resilience. As we've journeyed across the globe, from coral reefs to Arctic tundra, we've witnessed the remarkable adaptability of life on Earth. While climate change poses significant threats to many species, these 7 examples demonstrate the remarkable adaptability of life on Earth. From shifting habitats to altering behaviors, these species are finding ways to cope with a changing world. Interested in learning more about how these adaptations impact ecosystems? Stay tuned for our next article where we'll explore the ecological consequences of species adaptation to climate change.